case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal case in 1978, Bertram Seidlitz, a former employee of Optimum Systems Inc. or OSI, found himself in the sights of the justice system after his departure from the firm. Evidence unearthed linked Seidlitz to unauthorized intrusions into OSI's computer system following his resignation and launch of an independent computer firm. The illegal trespass was pinpointed to Seidlitz's office in Virginia through OSI's innovative implementation of the Milton spy function on their WYLBUR system, triggering suspicions that set the entire affair into motion. The WYLBUR system was an essential piece of OSI's digital infrastructure, and its security was put to the test by someone privy to its innermost workings. Using the system's own capabilities, OSI was able to record the intruder's requests and computer responses, adding to their pile of irrefutable evidence. A subsequent search of Seidlitz's office and residence yielded further proof of his illicit activities in the form of the WYLBUR source code and access codes to OSI's computers, among other perturbing findings. Seidlitz sought to suppress the decisive evidence, arguing that the WYLBUR software was not a trade secret or other property interest of OSI within the context of the wire fraud statute. However, the court dismissed his motion, subsequently allowing the damning evidence to seal his fate at the ensuing trial. When the case advanced to the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, the court's majority opinion held firm on the judgment passed previously. They concluded that OSI's countermeasures were within legal boundaries. The spy activities and telephone traces were not unethical, nor did they go against the Communications Act of 1934. Moreover, they were of the firm belief that OSI was within its rights to protect its property, thus legitimizing their interception of wire communication initiated by Seidlitz. Contrary to Seidlitz's assertions, the court affirmed the recognition of the WYLBUR system as OSI's property, painting a clear picture of Seidlitz's manipulation and trespass upon OSI's physical property. His supposed voice of dissent was further silenced when objections surrounding the searches of his office and residence weren't taken into consideration, given that they weren't raised at the suppression hearing or the motion to suppress evidence. Ultimately, any attempts at overturning the initial verdict fell flat. Unfounded were Seidlitz's claims of illegal surveillance, and by the final stroke of the gavel, the court affirmed his guilt, ringing in the end of a saga defined by its implications on the judicial approach to digital property and privacy.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.